Okay, dann schauen wir, They Turned a Rock into a Boat von Daily Dose of Internet. Guck mal da mal rein.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. I found a video of a French artist that made himself a floating rock boat.
Ist es da oben, weil er da oben rausschaut, oder wie steuert er das Ding? Also ist es deswegen da offen? Ey, der hätte ja wenigstens so ein kleines Fensterchen einbauen können.
A cat snuck into a stadium and then started hanging from a balcony.
Uff.
Some fans down
Ehrenmänner, die haben den einfach
below
aufgefangen.
spread out an American flag to catch the cat. The cat was saved and amazingly didn't get hurt.
Gott sei Dank.
This car had to get fixed because the trunk was
Habe ich auch schon im Real Life richtig oft gesehen, wenn die zu früh springen und dann einfach an der Kante landen.
closing a little too fast. So this
What the fuck? Okay, das verstört mich ein bisschen.
is kind of creepy. This walrus would not stop staring at this dog.
Das ist echt creepy. Oha.
Go bigger.
Richtig einschüchternd.
Go bigger. Go bigger. Come on, go bigger. Go bigger. Go bigger. Yeah.
I found this crazy video of someone riding a snowmobile over a lake.
Wie funktioniert das? What the heck?
Where there's a will, there's a way. Oh my god!
Da gibt's gar
A
keine
diver
Bugs.
found a seal that just needed a hug.
What? Yo, dass das geht? Heftig. Oh, Spinnen. Gar nicht mein Ding. What the heck is that dead? Ich hoffe nicht.
One of my subscribers recorded this time-lapse video of clouds in the night sky that moved like waves in the ocean. That's the end of this video. I hope everyone has an amazing day, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Ja, war auch ein gutes Video.